This is a brand new Range Rover Autobiography, and this system is now protected. Welcome to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. Behind me, and today we have a brand new Range Rover Autobiography edition with the requirement for much needed security, because if you aren't already aware or you've been living under a rock, these cars are stolen very simply. And even after the recalls and the security that Range Rover say they do updates on it, unfortunately they're still at risk of being stolen quite easily, whether that's relay attack by amplifying the key on older updated versions, or they've got this new system where they can pull up straight outside your vehicle with a computer system, access the keyless entry box even if you've turned it off, and turn your car, well, turn the access back on, get back in and access it and nick it. It's as easy as that, unfortunately. Well, what we can do, we can add multi-layers of security on these vehicles. It's not just one option, there's multiple options. So if you want to know what's available, get in contact first. We'll go through it and run you through some options. But this one and this video is all about a tracker called the Meta Trak S5 VTS Deadlock Pro. Bit of a mouthful, but it's a very good security system. Now I'm going to run you through how it works on this vehicle and what it does to protect it. First and foremost, we're going to show you the identity tag you get on your keys, which is right there. Wait for the camera to focus. That is an identity tag you keep on your person at all times. If you're really sensible and you're security conscious, then you would keep said tag from said key separate. But we all live in a convenient world. Sometimes that isn't convenient. If you've got a pair of house keys you keep with you all the times, then what you should do is keep this tag separate. Now, how it works is this vehicle right now is looking for this tag. So if I was to get in and start the vehicle, or even try and start the vehicle, then the system will get alerted that the tag is not present. And then the Meta Trak company, which are monitoring your car 24 hours a day, will get an alert to say the ignition has been turned on without your tag, are you with it? So you'll get a phone call within a couple of minutes. Now what this system also does, other than being a tracker, it also acts as immobilisation. That's what the Deadlock Pro stands for. We have 2 points of immobilisation. Without this tag, it will stop the car from starting. That's the first point of immobilisation, simple as that. So without the tag, in proximity to the vehicle does not start. So that stops the thieves from taking it. Second port of call, which is what the Pro part of the Deadlock model stands for, is it has OBD immobilisation. What that means, you've got an OBD port down here, roughly around the driver's side, which is completely open all year round to allow dealerships, retuners, anyone that needs to access it to get history on your vehicle or diagnosis, it allows them access to it. And what that does, it also allows people to access the system to program in a new key, like a spare key. Now with this system, with the tags not present, the OBD is locked. Okay, so no one can code a spare key in or code another key in or access the diagnostic of this vehicle. What you can also do on the phone application, because you get a tracker app on this, and if I open it up, just to give you an indication of what it looks like. Meta Trak Plus app looks like that. Okay, this is the app here. Now what on this unit here, because I'm not actually logged into a Deadlock Pro on this one, I'm just giving an example of the track, the actual app. What the customer can do, they can remotely OBD lock from the app. So completely lock the OBD all year round and only unlock it when you want to. So for example, you hand it into a trusted dealership, or you hand it to someone you know that you know isn't gonna try and nick your vehicle, then you can unlock the OBD port for that time and that time only. Now I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration of how this tag stops the car from starting. So I'm gonna take it off its keys. So now I've separated the tag, I've put the tag in a Faraday box, put it over to the other side of our compound to replicate what would happen if someone was to amplify this key, copy the key, or even steal the key, for example. So I'm gonna get in a car, I'm gonna try and steal it. I'll put the start button. Now this is a hybrid, right? So what you would expect to see is the ready button here. The ready bar here, there's no ready here. It's in P at the moment. I'm gonna try and select your reverse, drive, oh, nothing, and then this instrument cluster shuts off. So literally, you can stay there, keep pushing it. It will not go into drive. It doesn't get taken anywhere. So the thieves cannot take the vehicle without the tag. Now, if you're really security conscious, what you can also do on this system is if you go away for a few weeks at a time, you leave your keys and you tag with someone reliable, trustworthy, you can actually send the command to the tracker on the application and deadlock the system completely. So even if they've got the keys and the tag, they still cannot drive anywhere until you unlock it from the phone application. Very clever, very secure, so you can lock the OBD all year round, you can deadlock it when you go away, or you can even do it overnight if you're really security conscious. Loads of options. That's the Deadlock Pro on a Range Rover, brand new. You can fit it on any other vehicle. absolutely obscenely secure system and probably the best tracker available right now. There's another video on this Range Rover we're doing. If you didn't hear it just then, there is a dash cam in this vehicle, top of the range one. We'll do another video and we'll make sure we link it across on this video. There's Connor in front of the camera, Maximum behind the camera, and all the boys at John Kleis Car Audio. We'll see you soon.